Hey everybody. All right, so last week we talked about how to play major and minor chords on the A string. This week we're going to be talking about basically how to the order of chords in a major scale on the A string. I know we've done this on the E string. Now we're just going to kind of run over on the A string. It's the same theory, but it might look a little different. All right, so we're going to jam in the key of C. Okay, so on the A string, right? So let's find C, right? C, D, E, using my dots, right? Here's C. So here's our 1, our 2, our 3. It's the same thing, right? Whole step. So right, here's C, right? Whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Right? Same exact thing as the E as the major scale on the E string. Just might look a little different, right? So here's my 1, and that's gonna be a major. So if you remember from last lesson, this is how we play our major 7th. All right, now we're gonna go to our 2. So there's our 2, and this is major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, right? That's our order of chords. So our 2 is our minor, right? Right, so that's minor. Now we're gonna go to our 3. And that's gonna be a minor as well. Now we're gonna go to our 4, which like we said is only a half step above. Make it a major, right? Now we're gonna go to our 5, also a major, and a whole step up. Now we're gonna go to our 6, which is a whole step up, and a major. All right, like I said, we'll get to 7s later. But yeah, so that's a pretty simple lesson. But same thing as before, let's do a quick practice. So let's do a 3, 2, 6, like we've been talking about, right? Or no, 3, 2, 5, right? So 1, here's our C, right? C's our 1, D's our 2, E's our 3, right? So here's our 3, which is a minor chord, right? Then we're gonna go to our 2, which is gonna be a minor chord as well. Then we're gonna go to let's go to a 5, right? Like we said, which is gonna be a major, and then down to a 4, which is a major as well. All right, so it's once again, between the E string and the A string, now you're really starting to figure out a lot of different ways to make chord progressions. And you can also start to combine using chords on the A string and the E string. We'll get into that next time. Thanks, everybody. Simple lesson.